we're back. We've got, oh, hopefully no faces.
Mommy fixed it.
I can fix that in, I'm editing. This is editing Kendra. You know, she pops in every once in a while. I just realized that I have the audio to the first part of my second day of 12 Days of Stashmas, but I don't have the video portion. I don't know why, but it's going to show up. Anyway, so let me do a proper introduction. Hi, I'm Kendra Morgan Official. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for content, beauty related, makeup brushes that aren't Morphe, sunscreens, and single eyeshadows. I was supposed to remain faceless in all of these, but editing Kendra is going to have to pop in. So we go through and unbox the Boxycharm Extras. I got the lowdown on a friend of a friend of a friend who knows somebody that got a hold of these for me and sent them to me. So thank you so much. You know who you are. And now I'm going to go ahead and let faceless Kendra and her children take over. Let's roll call. In just a moment, sweetheart. Okay, so here's the first one. It is the Viseart Neutral Mattes. All right, moment of truth. Do you want to open it? Yeah, go ahead and open it and slide it out.
So pretty.
Oh, show the camera. Show the camera. Okay, hold it down right here. Awesome. It is not broke. Yay! Palette number 1 is not broke. So this is adding to the stash. We'll be decluttering though. We'll be decluttering too. Okay. And then the next one. Yep. You want to do that one too? Go ahead and open it up and see if it's broke.
I think they're not both broke.
It really just sounded like the first one had some broken in it.
Come on, you silly.
It's okay. Just real gentle. There you go. And there's the second one. Yay!
Oh, they're not broke.
It's not broke, everybody. This is the Viseart Neutral Matte. So which one is this then? Oh, they both say Neutral Matte. I don't know. I think this is number 14 and then this is the Neutral Matte. So it's like, I don't know which one it is. These are so beautiful. Okay, everybody, let's just do a swatch real quick. Pretty.
And this is a gray one.
And then this one. So pretty.
Mommy, look at that.
Aren't those pretty? Do you want to swatch some? Oh, keep your face out of the camera. Okay, go ahead. And then
That one.
you want to swatch it on my hand? Ooh, that swatched really nice.
Ooh, that's
Very beautiful. Okay, guys. If you guys found this content awesome, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We cannot wait to see you in our next video.